for your automobile, for your house, for work, anywhere that you need to, put away sockets. And you got to place that on a shelf that you can, put 1/4, 3/8, ½ inch. This is made of lightweight foam. It's got all the sizes that you need, not just one. Got a whole bunch of them right here. And what we're going to go do is going to go grab some of my large sockets and place them in here. You have metric, and you should have English as well. You have 3 sets, like I said, 1/4, ½ 3/8. Let's go put these bad boys, some sockets on them. My toolbox is a mess, and I need to clean it up. They're going to be good days and rainy days, right? This is what we do on those nasty days. We clean things up. So I got everything all laid out, and I got my sockets right here. I got some nice large ones, right? And I'm going to have to guess where they go. And that fits in there perfectly right there. And then get my next one. I was off maybe by right there. And these are English or metric, it doesn't make a difference, but you get the idea of how they go. Oh yeah, I'm like almost right on the money right there. Right there, look at that bad boy. I got different sizes that will need to go in, small ones. And if I have large holes right there, these go right there perfectly in the large ones. These are deep sockets where they really go. I got a case that's broken, and now if I want to put my smaller sizes correctly in, I could do so, and there you go. So they will fit to the corresponding sizes I need. So you get the idea that you get 1/4, 3/8, ½ inch, and you can put all your sockets in. Now I don't have all these sizes that fit, but you get the idea of how they hold. And they're pretty strong. They will hold when I'm holding this out at the very end over here. So if I'm looking to put this on a shelf, I can. But putting inside this messy container, I don't think that's going to work. But at least they're organized and they're there if I clean things up. So if you're looking for, something to hold your sockets that are loose and put it on a shelf, this kit may be something right for you that you're looking for your toolkit needs. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.